Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Oppo Find X3 Neo. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being on the bottom right here. Next is on top of the screen right here, and that's a phone call speaker. And I think we've got all of the speakers. Now we need to try to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, so that confirms it. This device does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.